The highlighted must-have Monday vehicle this week is
the 2023 to 2026 Toyota Prius. This vehicle blends sleek design with next-gen hybrid efficiency, but that doesn't mean it should compromise on braking performance. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or racking up miles, the DFC 5000 brake pads and GeoSpec Rotors are built to keep up. With OE-level fit and smooth, quiet performance, these parts are engineered for long-lasting reliability. For hybrid drivers who expect more, DFC delivers. DFC is proud to be one of the first aftermarket brake manufacturers to offer brake pads, rotors, and hardware for this new application, providing a complete solution for distributors and installers alike. Whether it's our DFC 5000 series brake pads, our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors, or our OE-specific hardware kits, every part is precision engineered for fit, performance, and reliability. For added convenience, these parts are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, saving time on the shelf and in the shop. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog fast, and supporting our partners with top-tier fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your local sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Must-Have Monday to see what we're launching next.